There are some allegations levelled by Mr. Revanth Reddy in yesterday's public meeting at Kosgi. We are strongly condemning the statements made by Mr. Revanth Reddy, who is always acting against the interest of the Telangana. He was shut his mouth when 7 mandals were taken out by Chandrababu, when Sealair power project, which is giving around 11 months power, is also taken by Chandrababu, and whenever there is an action against the government, this Telangana government, these people are shut and they are used to some packages. And we strongly warn him not to speak against the interest of the Telangana society. Whether it is Mission Bhagiratha or Mission Kakatiya and the irrigation projects, we are very clear, and we don't want to give commissions even if he blackmails the officials or if he expects something commissions. We don't want to give. This government is known for its honesty and transparency. So we warn him, the Telangana people, the students, the women, the farmers will take action against him, and if he speaks like that, he always is actually speaking against the KCR and also to the KTR and also against the leaders of TRS in a filthy language that cannot be tolerated in the future. We will definitely take action politically, and also whatever the means required, definitely we will take action against him.